Bang, I look right past those light curtains and I pick up the target. My name is Doug Morris, and one of the cool sensors that I'm responsible for is our ultrasonic portfolio, and this in particular is the UC40. And what I have is a trace of what the ultrasonic field looks like out of the box. And I'm going to measure this fishing tackle box. It's kind of semi-transparent. A laser sensor probably wouldn't work that great on this. Perfect for an ultrasonic. But what happens in real life is that you have stuff in the way. So I'm going to introduce a couple light curtains here in my ultrasonic field. And what you're going to see is that that's what the sensor is going to measure. And you're like, okay, this is everybody's experience with ultrasonics, is that now I can't really use it because I can't look past this fixturing. But what we can do with the UC40 is manipulate the sound cone, look past those fixtures and pick up the target. So now we're going to go in and we're going to turn on some filtering here. We're going to activate, and bang, I look right past those light curtains and I pick up the target. Now if I turn that off, what you'll see is, again, I'm picking up the light curtains. I'll even show you one more thing. So now we have a target that has holes in the middle. And as you can see, as I move the box, it's going to pick that target up all the way through that area. So thanks for watching. What I wanted to really point out in this video is this is not your traditional ultrasonic sensor. If you have any questions, reach out to your local SICK representative, and thanks for watching.